Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Berkshire bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Microsoft Edge, and bring up the search bar and type in Berkshire bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.berkshirebank.com. Just click on that first link. Now we'll be taken to the official website of Berkshire Bank. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login button. Just click on login button to log in. Now we'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Berkshire. Over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on show I icon button. And once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on forgot your username or password. From over here you can recover your username or password so easily. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.